Hi guys, welcome to SFF channel. As you know, we are catering to sports, films, and of course, yes, food. But tonight we are going to review the movie Maharaj, which has just released on Netflix. It has been directed by Siddharth Malhotra and produced under the banner of YRA Films, Yash Raj Films. Yes. So let's begin. We'll take it one by one. Let's start with the characters. The movie is about approximately 2 hours long, and the main characters are based on Jaideep Alawat has played the role of a spiritual guru, and it's based on this character called Brij Ratanji. His character is inspired from him. It's a real life character. So उन्होंने एक spiritual guru का role निभाया है किरदार, जो billions of लोगों की life को influence करता है with his thoughts, with his habits, his way of living and everything. And the second one is Junaid Khan, Amir Khan's son, who has played the role of a guy whose character is influenced by Karsan Das Mulji. Yeah, that's right. So these are the main characters of the film, the main protagonists of the film, and so let's come to the first part of the movie. It's about the performances. Let's talk about the performances in the film. Jaideep Alawat is tremendous. He's done a brilliant job in the film. His face is so subtle, and the nuances that he has created in the film, and the way he has portrayed the characters are very subtle and not over the top, not loud. Although his character is very loud and hovering, but what he has done in the film is a very patient face with a innocent smile, and the way he has portrayed the character and delivered the dialogues and everything, it's superb. It's just brilliant. And coming to Junaid Khan, he has also done a very good job. His first movie, I guess, yes, उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है. और जो लास्ट के जो उनका जो कोर्ट सीन है वो रिमार्केबल सीन है, जहाँ पे वो केस जीत जाता है और जयदीप अलावत, ब्रिज रतन जी केस हार जाते हैं. So and the rest of the characters have done a fairly good job, and so performance wise everybody has done a pretty decent job. Now the main thing that caught my attention is the art direction. So let's come to that. The art direction, the production design, the set design is just fantastic. The way they have created that era, that 1860s का जो era उन्होंने create किया है, the set, the structure, the pattern of the whole setup is superb. It's fantastic, mind blowing. The छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो ध्यान रख के उन्होंने क्रिएट किया है, जैसे प्रॉपर्टीज़ हो गया, या कोई साइड से कोई रिक्शा चली गई, या कोई टैक्सी आ गई और कोई साइकिल आ गया, बीच में कुछ लोग घूम रहे हैं, कोई बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. द होल एटमॉस्फियर दैट दे हैव क्रिएटेड इन द फिल्म, द आर्ट डायरेक्शन इज जस्ट स्टुपेंडस. इट्स जस्ट फैंटास्टिक. इट्स माइंड ब्लोइंग. Kudos to the art director and the production designer. And the third point, the music. The music of the film is okay. It's nothing great, but it definitely adds value to the story and the whole screenplay and the way the story is moving ahead. It adds to the story. It's not overpowering the story. The music is not that great that it overpowers the story, but there is a very fine balance that has been maintained, and the music actually complements the story. In a story like this, you don't need music that is hovering and that's too overpowering. So the music is pretty cool, we can say that. The next is the screenplay of the film. The screenplay of the film is also nice. I liked it because the pattern in which the story moves, and the way the story moves ahead, it is not too fast, it is not too slow. There is a pace that has been maintained by the director and the DOP of the film, and it gradually grows on you, like you want to see more, like इसके बाद क्या होता है, इसके बाद क्या होता है. एंड स्टोरी जिस हिसाब से आगे बढ़ती है, आपके अंदर का जो खून है वो खौलने लगता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी दिखाई गई है जो कुछ हद तक सही है, जो हम जो देखे हैं हमारे पास्ट में, जो रियल लाइफ में हुए हैं. मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा, पर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके साथ, जो हमारे स्पिरिचुअल लीडर्स थे, जो जेल जा चुके हैं, जो इस सारे इल्ज़ामात से गुज़र चुके हैं. तो उस हिसाब से अगर हम देखें तो ये स्टोरी आपको आपका खून खौलता है एक टाइम पे जब इतनी सारी नाइंसाफ़ी हो रही है, इनजस्टिस हो रहा है, और आप देख रहे हैं कि लोग अंधे की तरह फिर भी एक अंधविश्वास की तरह इस स्पिरिचुअल गुरु को फॉलो करते हैं, और कैसे जुनैद खान जो हमारी फिल्म के हीरो हैं वो कैसे इस सब चीज़ों के अगेंस्ट जाके, इट्स नॉट ईजी बट द वे ही हैज़ डन इट, इट्स फैबुलस. आई रियली लव्ड इट. Let's come to the cinematography now. The DOP. He's done a marvelous job. The whole canvas of the film is it is because of the DOP. He's done a fantastic job of creating that whole atmosphere, of creating that whole the space that we are living the story in. So he has done a very good job of maintaining the balance of the film in accordance with the characters, the pace of the screenplay, the music, the production design, everything has been maintained in a very nice way. तो ये बेसिकली इन शॉर्ट इस मूवी का रिव्यू है जो डेफिनेटली वर्थ वॉच है. और इस फिल्म को आपको क्यों देखनी चाहिए, इसका आंसर ये है कि ये एक रियल लाइफ स्टोरी पे बेस्ड है, और ऐसी चीज़ें हमारी सोसाइटी में, हमारी देश में हो रही है. इसके ख़िलाफ़ कोई आवाज़ उठाता नहीं, क्योंकि शायद किसी में इतना हिम्मत नहीं है, किसी में इतनी पहुंच नहीं है, किसी में इतना रुतबा नहीं है कि वो इस हद तक जा सके कि एक स्पिरिचुअल लीडर के अगेंस्ट आप ये कर सकते हैं. पर इस फिल्म में जो दिखाई है, अगर ये बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है. अगर हमारी सोसाइटी में इतनी नाइंसाफ़ी हो रही है और लोग अंधविश्वास जो एक हमारे सिस्टम में है, वो अंधविश्वास जो है वो बहुत ख़तरनाक चीज़ है, जो आपको और मुझे दोनों को पता है, हम सबको पता है इनफैक्ट, कि अंधविश्वास के ख़िलाफ़ आवाज़ उठाने की जो हिम्मत चाहिए, जो ताकत चाहिए, जो जज्बा चाहिए, वो इस फिल्म में आपको देखने को मिलेगी. और ये मुझे लगता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में अगर ऐसा कुछ इनजस्टिस आज के टाइम में हो रहा है तो हमें ज़रूर ऐसी आवाज़ उठानी चाहिए. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट एंड दैट इज़ द डायरेक्शन. What I felt after seeing the movie is the direction is very good because it's very natural, it's not over the top. All the actors have performed in a very subtle manner and the direction is not hovering. Direction अच्छा होते हुए भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि it's a director's film. ऐसा लगता है कि it's an actor's film. Although the director has done a very good job, Siddharth Malhotra, kudos to him. He has done a very good job because he has maintained a very subtle way of performance of all the actors, not only Jaideep and Junaid, but all the actors, all the actors in the film have done a very good job in portraying their characters in a very natural and a spontaneous way. That's what I felt. Coming to the story, as I told you, it's based on real life incidents, and so there's nothing much to say. But the story entices you, it captures you, it motivates you, it involves you, it engrosses you, and it doesn't make you feel lost in any manner at any given point of time while you're watching the film. So I like the story, the pattern, the story grows and the story unfolds slowly. I really like that. The next part is we'll talk about the production values. Yes, Yash Raj Films, as you know, it's one of the top production houses in our industry, and it's brilliant. The production values are superb and stupendous, and it's like mind-blowing. It captures you, it engulfs you, and it actually takes you to that era, and you don't feel that you are living in 2024 while you're watching a film that's based on the 1800s, but it actually captures you and takes you to that level where you are actually you actually start feeling that you're living the moment at that time. So that's how good the production value is. One thing which I would like to mention, the marketing has not been done in a very good way for this film. The marketing could have been better, considering it's a YRF project, and it could have been on a bigger scale and on a bigger level. That's what I feel. Otherwise, production values are very good, and it's just made for the, like it's made to conquer your hearts. And coming to the dialogues are also very subtle. The main thing I like about the film, it's not loud, it's not over the top. Jaideep Ahlawat has spoken a very few lines, and but his character is so strongly portrayed. He has played such a, like बोलते हैं ना, कम शब्द बोल के आप अपने जहन में, आपके जहन में जो है वो चीज़ आप कैसे ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाते हो, वो चीज़ उसने कमाल का किया है। और ये डायलॉग राइटर का सैल्यूट, बिकॉज जुनेद खान भी बहुत कम, हर एक कैरेक्टर बहुत कम बोलता है, पर जब भी बोलता है वो एक इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करता है। सो उस हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि ये फिल्म के डायलॉग जो है वो कमाल के हैं, और द डायलॉग राइटर हैज डन अ very good job. Last but not the least, the screenplay. The screenplay of the movie is also very good. I am not being biased about the film, but the screenplay is good in the sense that it also gives you that space to get disconnected with the film and then again reconnect with the film simultaneously. It never makes you feel that you are disconnected for long, neither it makes you feel that you are over connected with the movie and it's, you know, like taking a lot of space in your mind. It's nothing like that. It has got, the balance is so good, it maintains a perfect balance, and so you feel okay, yes, I'm involved and suddenly I'm disconnected, suddenly I'm again involved and suddenly I'm disconnected, again I'm involved and again I'm disconnected. So that gives you that makes your interest level grow higher and higher, and you feel to know more that इसके आगे क्या होगा, इसके आगे क्या होगा, इसके आगे क्या होगा, इसकी एंडिंग क्या होगी, इसको सज़ा मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, क्या होगा क्या होगा, ये जो एक एक्साइटमेंट है ये बिल्डअप होता है. सच इज़ द पेस ऑफ द स्क्रीन प्ले. तो इसको ऐसा लिखा गया है, इसकी पेस ऐसी है कि इट विल ऑलवेज मेक यू फील दैट what will happen next, what will happen next, and I think that's where the screenplay writer has succeeded. So that's about it guys for now. Thank you.